Is your phone speaker sounding muffled or dusty? Don't worry, I'll show you how to clean it using just TikTok. Let's go. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure your internet is connected. In the search bar, type speaker cleaner sound. You'll see lots of videos. Tap on the very first one. Now, turn your volume all the way up and let the sound play for at least 30 to 60 seconds. This special sound uses vibrations to push dust out of your speaker grill. While it's playing, you might see tiny dust particles coming out. Gently wipe the speaker area with a soft, dry cloth. Once done, play your favorite song or ringtone to check the sound quality. You should notice it's clearer now. And that's it. Your phone speaker is clean again, thanks to TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.